When you come to the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center, something remarkable happens.
Most recently, though, the years have gone by and my legs, I did develop a lot of pain in my legs, and therefore back to the center again, and doctor did the laser on my veins. And today I have no pain in my legs, so I'm very happy about the treatment I have here. It was very professional, and there was not one question that didn't go unanswered, and I felt very comfortable, and I was assured of everything that I had done, and everything. I was very well informed by the doctors. They would take care of all my concerns, and they made me feel comfortable, and I knew I was making the right decisions. And I have a job where I'm around people all the time, and it's important to feel good about yourself. But after the laser treatment, then now today I have no pain at all. Well, I have a lot of compliments on my skin for my age. I'm just so happy that I've come to this center, and I'm just so pleased with everything that they have done for me.
I wanted something just kind of as a little refresher. The results were so much better than I thought that they could have been. I would highly recommend it. Such a better alternative than a facelift. And as I said, you don't have all that downtime. When they ask me how old I am and I tell them, they don't believe me. And I never felt my age. I just had my 60th birthday. And I'm having a hard time trying to accept that fact because I don't feel like that. Okay, so guys, look out. I do feel younger, and I think part of the reason that I feel younger is that as I perceive my face to be younger, I've started going back to the gym a lot more so I can keep my body in line with my face.
Having fair skin, I just started to see wrinkles, and I decided it's time to do something about this, be proactive. I've actually was able to take away the wrinkles on my forehead and, stop time. Well, my husband really notices the most. He's very happy with how I feel about myself and feel more confident, feel younger and more youthful. Felt like I was aging overnight. I would look in the mirror and see a new wrinkle or see a new sign of aging and just be very unhappy with it. Now I feel like I have really stopped time, I feel like I come back here every time and I look the same, and he's keeping me young.
I feel amazing. I mean, don't I look amazing? Yeah. I never went anywhere else. It's about results. Because my dermatologist recommended it, I felt like, if he recommended it, then it must be the right place. I feel like I'm in my 30s, the way how I look, so. I'm 42. I used to look down, and I didn't have any confidence. Now I look them in the eye and I feel good. I felt like people were looking at my marks or my spots. Now everyone says how beautiful my skin is. Go for it. You will be surprised what the staff here can do for you. It's like a miracle.
The doctors are very accommodating. They answer every question that you could possibly have from your consultation. During the procedure, I was asking questions, and all the way to the aftercare. They were so great, and the staff is amazing. People notice a lot. I get a lot of compliments, especially from friends and family who had seen my prior condition beforehand, and they're really excited that I'm very excited about myself. So I'm very comfortable in bathing suits now and not covering up anymore. And I just generally feel a lot more comfortable in my own skin. I look better and I feel better too.
I came here after even 2 treatments. It was a world of difference. I felt probably 90% better. It was great. It definitely had brought my spirit up since the treatments. When I first came here, I was nervous, as I'm sure most patients are, but the team here was wonderful. The doctors were wonderful. They answered every question that I had and made me feel very comfortable with what they were doing in the procedure that I had. I definitely think that I made the right decision coming here.
I had scars since I was a teenager, so I would see them all the time. And so it prevented me from wearing shorts or dresses without stockings. And I sort of lost my confidence there. And the spider veins, I mean, they were everywhere. So I really needed to get rid of those so that I could gain more confidence and feel better about myself. I saw a change right after them, right after the treatments. It was great. And then on the scars on my knee, I saw a dramatic difference. And so coming here and having a friendly staff right when you walk in, right from the start, and then going in and seeing the doctor, and the doctor putting me at ease, and the treatments were so simple. Gaining the confidence is great, and feeling better is the most important thing, and that's why I think I'm so thankful and so glad that I came here. Come in for the consultation, you'll see how great the staff is, you'll see how great the doctors are, and you know you're in the right place. I believe the trust was built on the fact that you just felt like the doctors knew what they were doing. They answered all your questions, they put you at ease. What more could you want?
He noticed a mole on my arm here, and he asked how long I've had it, and I said, I don't know, I never really looked at it. And he said, I'm going to take it off, and he did. And he sent it to pathology, and he called me a couple days later and said it was positive for melanoma. So within, I don't know, a week or two, I was a patient at Roswell, and they did a sentinel node biopsy, and it was positive for, it was micrometastasized in my sentinel node. And my next surgery, they took all of my lymph nodes, and it was negative. And now when I go back to Roswell, I'm considered a survivor, because it'll be over a year now that since they've treated me. So he took the time. I wasn't just a patient laying there and he was doing a procedure. He could have told me to go see a dermatologist about my mole, but he took the time and he, as he called it, multitasked, took the mole off, sent it to pathology. And my doctor at Roswell said if it would have been a couple of months later, it would have been a different conversation that we were having. So yeah, he's just not just a great doctor, but just a great person to do that. He saved my life.
I was embarrassed by the tattoos, but now I feel that now that they've been removed, I feel more confident. I feel more comfortable at the beach in a bikini. I feel more comfortable at swim classes with my daughter, and now I don't feel like I need to try to cover them with makeup or anything else. First of all, when you walk in, everything's modern and new. It's beautiful, so you feel comfortable. You feel right at home. The staff is very giving. I would say they're very caring. They definitely listen to your needs. They ask you how you're doing. They always try to have conversations with you, and if you're getting procedures done that might be a little bit uncomfortable, they always try to, put you at ease and make you feel more comfortable. Emotionally, you just feel better knowing that whatever you didn't like about yourself is gone or removed, and I just feel definitely happier.
After coming here and getting the treatments that I wanted, I realized it was not as painful, and the results were fantastic. And not only that, I walked out of here with a lot more confidence, and it's something that's lasted. After every treatment, I walk out with more and more confidence. And I wanted to go to someone who I could trust and someone who was truly a professional. There's a lot of lookalikes, but I wanted to go to the real deal. It's made a huge difference in my life. It was something that from years of swimming outside, playing golf, just a lot of activities in the sun, I had years of lots of sun damage that had accumulated. I'm in my early 40s, and I just was beginning to see the clock, I guess, or how would I say it, beginning to see the signs of aging. And like any female out there, you want to stop it. And they were absolutely able to get rid of the wrinkles that were on my forehead and fill in a few of the lines around my face. And it brought out a lot of confidence because I didn't feel that I was standing in front of someone and they were judging me and saying, boy, she's been outside a lot or she doesn't take care of herself. And I just feel a lot more confident, and I actually wear less makeup now and I smile a lot more. Not only do I look younger, but I feel younger as well.
At the Cosmetic Vein and Laser Center, we earn your confidence and give it back to you.